Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here again with another succulent Chinese meal. Salt and chili ribs, so crunchy on the outside, tender in the inside, spicy, hot, lovely, jubbly. Here I have half a pound, which is 500 grams of pork ribs cut in half. If you can't understand what I'm talking about, read the description box. This is Shaoxing Wine. We need the Shaoxing Wine for that Asian flavor. Light soy sauce. Next, we're going to go in with some sugar, about a teaspoon of sugar, some ground white pepper. 2 slices of fresh ginger. If you don't like ginger, leave it out. This is optional. Some sugar to sweeten it up. Give everything a good massage. Make sure you cover all the ribs with the spices. 1 egg white. 5 or 6 tablespoons of corn flour, cornstarch. It's exactly the same thing. Mix everything together and leave that to sit in the fridge for 1 hour. That's me there wearing the Spider-Man mask. There's a reason why this is a faceless channel. I cannot show my face on YouTube at all. We'll talk about that reason in a minute. So, place your ribs into the hot oil. This oil is on medium to low heat, by the way. We're going to double fry these ribs for extra crunchiness, extra crispiness. Sorry, well, it's the same thing, crispy, crunchy, isn't it? So, this will take about 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to just turn these round until they're sort of like a lighty sort of color, like this sort of color here. That's it. And then we're going to put these to the side and allow them to cool for a minute. Turn the heat up high. You want to get this oil as hot as you can get it without setting the house on fire. Don't be setting the house on fire, I'll be getting the blame. This is us going in the second time with the ribs. Now this is going to make these ribs so crunchy on the outside and tender in the inside because this is the second time. We only need to cook these for about 3 minutes. Watch the colour change now. See when we get to this colour? That's them done. Drain them, put them to the side, and now we're ready for the wok. Heat up your wok or pan to a high heat. We don't need any type of oil or vegetable oil. This is just half of a red bell pepper, some Shaoxing wine, and we're going to go in with the ribs. Can I just give a shout out to my latest 2 private members, George Lucid Dreamer and Lisa Artbeer? I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm not sure. I've never heard it before. So, the reason why I was wearing this mask is because I'm actually going very thin in the head. I've not much hair left and very little teeth, so I'm not eating much fucking corn on the cob anyway. I'm saving to go on the airplane to Turkey. And by Christmas, I will have this mask off. I'll have new hair, I'll have new teeth, and then maybe this channel will take off, but I just have to save a couple of pounds first. Add in your spring onions, and then we're nearly finished here now. Just watch until the end. Give that a good stir about. Give it a flip. If you want to become a private member, it'll only cost you 99p. It might help towards my hair and teeth, and I'll be on this channel beautiful by Christmas. And there we go. Salt and chili ribs. Oh, Jesus, my favorite. Oh. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and comment. I'll see you tomorrow.